सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 177, verse number 140. मायात्वमेव निश्चेयम् इति चेत्तर्हि निश्चिनो लोकप्रसिद्धमायायाः लक्षणं यत्तदीक्ष्यताम्. Vidyaranya analyzing the Ishvara Swarupam, who is the cause of this universe, the world which is visible in front of us, how this creation is created. For that, Ishvara alone is the creator, Srishtikarta. This is what Shastra says. Jagatkarta, Srishtikarta, Ishvaraha. Kaha Ishvaraha? Who is that Ishvara? Ishvara is Maya Sahitam Brahma. Nirgunam Brahma, attributeless. Nirgunam means attributeless Brahman is there. That attributeless Brahman is actionless. Nishkriyaha. Brahman cannot do anything. So Brahman takes the support of Maya, which is his Shakti, intrinsic nature. Intrinsic means Maya Shakti is always with Brahman. When Brahman is Nirgunam, Maya happens to be Sagunam. Trigunatmika Maya. Where Sattva, Rajas, Tamo Guna, three gunas put together is called Maya. Maya is a combination of Sattva, Rajas, Tamo Guna. It is expressing in our own life when you are getting some knowledge, that is Sattva Guna. When you are knowing something, it is nothing but Maya Sattva Guna expression. When you are so active, when we are so active, that is the expression, Rajoguna expression of Maya. Maya expressing itself in the form of Rajoguna. When we are sleepy or sleeping, that is also expression of Maya in the form of Tamoguna. So how to know Maya? When you are understanding Panchadashi, that is also Maya in the form of Sattva-guna. When you are coming to the class, making everything ready at home and starting and coming to the class, you have to use your Rajoguna. So Maya is expressing in the form of Rajoguna. Sometimes you sleep in the class also. Not you, just I'm joking. Suppose anyone sleeps, night we slept. That is the expression of Maya, it's a Tamoguna. So every day Maya's expression is available. Why it is Sagunam? Brahman happens to be Nirgunam. Brahman Nishkriyaha cannot create the universe. Therefore, he takes the help of Maya, which is Trigunatmikam. Then Brahman gets the name Ishvaraha. Maya Pratibimbita Chaitanyam Ishvaraha. So when this Chaitanyam reflects in Maya, in sattva, rajas, tamo guna, three gunas it reflects, then that reflection maya upadhista chaitanyam brahma ishvaraha iti uchyate. Ishvara vanduttar. Once Ishvara has come, Ishvara cannot be there without Maya. Brahman has got married to Maya to do production, creation. So Maya is active. Ishvara, once Ishvara is Maya Sahitam Brahma, that Ishvara, the main role is Maya. Then Maya we have to study. That's why we are studying about Maya. Now understand why we are studying about Maya. Shuddha Brahma cannot do creation. Nishkriyatvat, Nirgunatvat. Maya by itself cannot do any creation. Jadatvat. Maya by itself is jadam, inert, insentient, achetanam. How Maya can create universe by itself? Therefore, it borrows sentiency from Brahman. Brahman lends sentiency to Maya, then Maya starts functioning. Then that Maya becomes visible. It makes the matter, it is a matter. Maya is a matter, start becoming manifesting. So Brahman is invisible, Maya is visible. It has got manifesting nature, it has got unmanifesting nature. Brahman has got manifesting nature, unmanifesting nature. Vyaktavastha, avyaktavastha, Brahman doesn't have. Brahman sarvada avyaktameva. Maya sometimes avyaktam, sometimes vyaktam. When Maya listening to the class, it is vyaktam or avyaktam? Vyaktam. When it is not listening to the class, in spite of sitting in the class, suppose, Maya becomes what? Avyaktam. It is in a rudimentary form. So therefore, what is the beauty of this Maya? I want to know. Miss India prize we have to give. Mrs. India, not Miss India. Mrs. India. Because in India only we talk about Maya, not in any country. That's why Mrs. India only, not Miss World or Mrs. World, we can't say. Okay. Many philosophers say Maya is real. Maya is real as Brahman. How do we know they are all saying Maya is real? Because they are all saying world is real. Once you say world is real, you are saying as good as Maya is real. World is nothing but Vyakta Maya. Nama Rupa, what you are seeing is Maya Karyam. Asti Bhati Priyam Rupam Nama Rupa Nama Amsha Panchakam Adhyatrayam Brahma Rupam Jagadrupam Tatodvayam. Jagat, as you are seeing the forms, every form has got what? Every form has got form. Every form has got a name. Every name has got a form. You are seeing means has got a form. It has got a form means it has got a name. So, Nama Rupa Dvayam Jagadrupam. It is the nature of the world. What is visible is Maya. Behind that Maya, Jagat, who is there? Asti, Bhati, Priyam. Adhyatrayam Brahma Rupam. These first three are of the nature of Brahman. Asti, existence. Bhati, consciousness, Chaitanyam, Chit. Asti means Sat. Bhati means Chit. Priya means Ananda. Therefore, when you are seeing the world, you are seeing Maya, you are understanding Brahman. If you are a Panchadashi student, not all people, you are seeing one, you are understanding another. What is that? Seeing what? Nama Rupa. Nama Rupa belongs to Maya. What you are not able to see, Sat you cannot see, Chit you cannot see, Ananda you cannot see. You experience, you understand through intellect. Why? It is formless. Sat is formless, Chit is formless, Ananda is formless. You understand the Sat, Chit, Ananda, Brahman through Maya Nama Rupa. How you understand Sat through Nama Rupa? Flower is. This easiness belongs to Maya or Brahman? Brahman. I am very happy if I see this flower, Ananda. That Ananda belongs to whom? Brahman. I am conscious of this flower. The Chit, the consciousness pervades the flower. I know the flower. That Chit belongs to Maya, flower, or Brahman? Brahman. So where is not Brahman? Tell me. Where is Maya? Where is Maya? This is called Maya. Where is Brahman? The easiness in the flower is Brahman. The easiness in the flower is Brahman. Since a subtle body is not there, Chit is not manifesting, body is Maya, the awareness is called Brahman. In this body there is Chaitanyam, Chit available in the form of awareness because mind is available. Subtle body matter is available here to manifest the Chit. How do you know Chit is manifesting? Where is it is manifesting? I am conscious of. I am conscious of. Why can't flower say, I am conscious of, I am in Mylapore club, I am in front of Swamini, I am sitting here. Flower cannot flower cannot afford to say, I am in Mylapore club, in the hall, I am sitting in front of Swamini on the desk. But you have awareness. You are aware of that you are in Mylapore club in the hall sitting in front of Swamini listening Panchadasi class. Why? You have subtle body, this flower doesn't have. Now where is Sat Chit Brahman? Tell me. I am Sat, I am Chit. I am lending existence to this Sat, to this flower. Sat I am lending. Otherwise flower cannot say I exist. Flower can say, I exist. Flower cannot say. But you can say, what? I exist. Where? In Panchadashi class. I exist in Panchadashi class. Now you see the difference between flower and you. Sadeva Chit, Chideva Sat. The difference between flower and me, because of subtle mind, body, subtle body, I am Chit predominant. I am is Sat. I know is Chit. What about body, mind? Maya. Like this, you have to know prayatnataha buddhimadbhihi asyaha pariharaha anveshyaha. In this manner, we have to do parihara. We have to come to conclusion. Maya is that inexplicable. How you explain more than this? I don't think so. Any teacher can explain better way. If they are there, I do Ashtanga Namaskar to them. Really, if anyone is there, because Shastra says this. If you understand, well and good. If not, all the best. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, we'll understand. Pariharaha kartavyaha anveshyaha natu chodhyaha. Never ask questions. What is Maya? How this world has come? From where did it come? When did it come? How did it come? It has never come. Because if you establish its existence, I can talk about its nature. What is the nature of the world? You ask a question. I said it is Maya. My counter question. It is Maya, inexplicable. You have taken Maya as an answer. And you are telling me you are escaping by saying Maya. You are not answering. I never answered you. I have never answered you that Maya is not an answer for this world. Maya is a question. I asked a question. It is inexplicable. You cannot answer to this world, I said. Maya means it is inexplicable. World cannot be explained. Therefore it is called Maya. Still you want to know about Maya? In spite of saying this much, no, I want to know about Maya. What? Maya tvameva nischayam. Enakku Maya na nischayam pannanum. I want to know. What? World is there or not? World is existent or not? If you ask, I said Maya. World is existent if you say Sat. World is not existent if you say it is Asat. Satchet na badhyeta, asatchet na pratiyeta. If it is existent, it could not be negated by Shastra. Shastra negating the world. Neha nanasti kinchana. Nothing is there in the world other than Brahman. There is no world. It is a word. Shastra says, Neha nanasti kinchana. Na bhumirapo na cha vanhirasti na cha nilo mesti na chamvarancha. Nothing is there. Shastra is negating. Satchet na badhyeta. If it is real, Shastra would have not negated. Since Shastra negating, therefore it is not Sat. It is not real. Shall we take it as Asat? World is Asat. You cannot say that also. Because Asat chet na pratiyeta. If it is unreal, Asat, it would have not appeared in front of you. If it is Asat, unreal, it would have not appeared in front of you. Therefore, you cannot say world is non-existent, world is unreal, you cannot say. Asat chet na pratiyeta. Since it is appearing in front of you, experienced by you, tangibly, you cannot say it is Asat. Since Shastra is negating, you cannot say it is Sat. Shall we say Sat and Asat? That also you cannot say, because both cannot coexist. Sat, existence, Asat, non-existence cannot coexist simultaneously. Sadasat cannot coexist simultaneously like darkness and light. Can darkness and light exist together? They cannot exist. Therefore, fourth category, I said Sat, neither Sat. World is neither Sat. World is not Asat. World is not Sadasat. World is Sadasad Vilakshanam. It is Sadasad Vilakshanam. It is different from Sat and Asat. Whatever is different from Sat and Sat is called world. Therefore, if you want to do Nischayam of Maya, come on, let us do for some time. Okay, hypothetical argument. Let us do for your satisfaction. Let us go for Anveshana. Nischayam. Mayatvam eva nischayam. This Sadasad Vilakshanam Maya, I want to know about it. Nischayam, determine. I want to determine what is its nature. Iti chet, suppose you ask like that, oh my dear student, Vidyaranya telling, Tarhi nischinu. Let us start. Let us analyze that Maya. How we analyze, let us go. If you want to analyze that, just like Loka Prasiddha Mayayaha Lakshanam Yat Iti Ikshatam. In spite of my explanation, this much explanation, you are not able to convince yourself this is Maya. Still you are holding on to your firm, what? I want to know about Maya. I want to know about Maya means what? I want to know the definition of Maya. What I said, undefinable, inexplicable. I said, no, you have to explain. You ask. I will tell you one word. It is just as magic in the world. You explain about the magic. Whatever is the magic, adhe lakshanam, Maya lakshanam. Magic ku enna lakshanam irukko, andha lakshaname Maya kuda vechuko. Ikshatam. What is this? See second line. Loka prasiddha Mayaya. Magic people are doing a lot of magic. Not black magic. I am talking about the magic. Magician doing lot of magic. And you see the magic lot of time. And even TV also they are showing. And so many things he brings in his hand. Everything he shows. And everyone, nobody is get bored to see Maya magic. Everyone likes to see magic. One hat, he brings lot of hats. Hat and a topi, cap. In the hat, cap, he brings so many and go on changing on his head. Only one cap. He is bringing so many caps. What is that Maya? Lokaha, prasiddha Maya, that only this Maya. Can you explain that Maya? You ask that magician also. You sit here, today you explain me about Maya. No magician is ready to explain. Why? There is nothing to explain. That is why it is called magic. Like that, why can't you take? Like in the world, people take Loka Prasiddha Mayayaha, you can take. Even in Shastra also, this word is used. Mayantu Prakritim Vidhi Mayinantu Maheshwaram Shvetashvatara Upanishad. Talking about the Maya, word is used in Upanishad itself. Indro Mayavi Pururupa Hiyate. Brihadaranyaka used the Maya word. Even Bhagavad Gita also, Mama Maya Duratyaya. It is very difficult to know my Maya nature, Lord Krishna said. Bhagavan himself said it is very difficult to know, but you are asking, you want to know about Maya. Therefore, all these are all you have to. Therefore, I want to give an example for you. Another example, Swapna. We have seen that Swapna. Now I will want to explain that Swapna. For so many examples I can give for magic. Magic is one example. Okay. For Maya, so many examples we can give. Magic is one example. Swapna is also another example. For inexplicability, anirvachaniyam, Maya is equal to inexplicability. Inexplicability is equal to anirvachaniyam. For anirvachaniyam, magic is anirvachaniyam. One example. One more example, Swapna is anirvachaniyam. Swapna, neither sat nor asat. It is sadasad vilakshanam. Therefore, Swapna is second example. Rope snake is third example. Marriage water is fourth example. This world is fifth example. Okay, Maya means magic like, Swapna like, rope snake like, shell silver like, shell silver-like, world-like. Now, the swapna, let us see swapna. We know all these examples. Swapna is sadasad vilakshanam. Whatever is sadasad vilakshanam is mithya, maya, mithya. It is tangibly available for experience. For inquiry, if you start, it disappears. எல்லாமே இந்த 5 எக்ஸாம்பிள் பாருங்க. வேர்ல்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் தானே உனக்கு கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. இந்த எக்ஸாம்பிள் எல்லாம் பண்ணு ஃபர்ஸ்ட். மேஜிக் இருக்கா இல்லையா? இருக்கு, ஆனாலும் இல்லை. எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஷியலி ரியல். ஃபார் என்கொயரி, for analysis, it is not available. Mirage water, you are seeing mirage water, you go and inquire into that, you probe into that, its nature, you cannot get answer. Mirage water. Rope snake, snake is appearing, rope snake is appearing upon the rope. What is this snake? If you want to analyze, can you get the answer? What is that snake? Why? It is not there. But appearing, it is not there really. Apparently there. Whatever is apparently there is mithya. What about fourth example, swapna? Swapna also is there or not? It is there. Sat. It is really Sat? Absolutely Sat? No. Then it is Asat. When you wake up, it is Asat. It is totally non-existent, like rabbit horn. Trikale asat, rabbit horn, muil kombu, trikale asat. Swapna adu madriyana. Illa swapna kale asti. Jagrat kale nasti. Appa enna artham? Adi sattu illa, asattu illa. Enna example idu? Fourth example, swapna. What is the first example? Magic. Second example, mirage water. Third example, rope snake. Fourth example, swapna. That means, that is pratibhasika satyam, swapnam. Pratibhasika satyam means what? Projected reality. Pratibhasika means projected. Satya means reality. Projected reality. Pradibhasika satyam I have used. Satyam I have used. That satyam is absolute? No. Why? Once you wake up, it disappears. So pratibhasika satyam is inferior mithya. What? Pratibhasika satya swapna, inferior mithya. Vyavaharika jagat, superior mithya. Ena anjavadu. World is there? Yes. Once you get knowledge, world disappears. Disappears means its reality disappears. Experientially it is there, but you don't give reality to that. Just like this pot. Pot is experientially there, but it is really there. Is there a pot? That means what? You have taken out the satyatvam from the pot. You have not taken out the appearance. Have you taken out the appearance when you are saying there is no pot? Kaiyula vechinde, tangible. You are seeing, I am also seeing. And saying there is no pot. Is this experiential negation or intellectually negating its reality? Intellectually negating its reality, not experiential negation. Similarly, another pot in front of you, big pot. Whole world is like a pot. Pratibhasika satya swapna, inferior mithya, lower mithyadi, vyavaharika jagat, superior mithya. Ye endika superior inferior na? அது after waking it is not available. But after jnanam, this jagat is available. Otherwise no jnani will be available. Jnani guru is teaching and he is looking at the student or not. அவருக்கு உலகமே இருக்காது, அவர் போயிட்டாருன்னா who will teach us? Ajnani guru only will teach. Ajnani guru teaches us what we will get. Ajnanam teach பண்ணவே வேண்டாமே, நமக்கு இருக்கே ஏற்கனவே. Therefore Jnani guru is very much experiencing the tangible world and conducting the classes, but Jnani guru knows there is no world really. Why? It is available. Unlike dream, after knowledge it is available for perception, but he has taken out the fangs, defanged the cobra madri. Jnani has done, and the சூடு பாத்திரம் இல்லை பிடிக்கிறதுக்கு ஏதோ இருக்கும், இடுக்கி, அந்த இடுக்கி you have to take the satyatvam from the world. Jnani does that intellectually. That is why Swapna is inferior mithya, Jagrati is superior mithya. Since it is available after knowledge also for perception. Now it's clear how many. One is Darshtantam, 4 are Drishtanta. Magic, marriage water, rope snake, Swapna. All of them are inferior mithya. World comes under Angushta Matra Purushaha. This world I am giving existence. Angushta Matra Purushaha. World is superior mithya. Excellent teaching. How can one miss this teaching? A message. No student like you can miss the message. Next shloka, 141. Okay, let us inquire into Maya. Let us do. Na nirupayitum shakyam vispashtam bhasate chayam सामायेतीन्द्रजालादौ लोका सम्प्रतिपेदिरे. So now, my dear Sishya, let us start analyzing Maya. The definition of Maya that we see in the world, the definition of Maya is two. It is a delusion. This is the definition of Maya. World is there or not? I said it is Maya. Now you are asking definition. Maya is equal to delusion. World is a delusion. You asked, world is Sat or Asat? I said Sadasad Vilakshanam. What do you mean by Sadasad Vilakshanam? I said Maya. That means world is Maya. Now I give the definition of Maya. Maya is equal to delusion. Another definition. World is the effect of Maya. World is the effect of delusion. Maya. What is world? It is a karyam. Effect. Of whom? Of Maya. Okay? Now you see 5 examples I showed you. One Darshtanta. Okay. Magic appears real when you are ignorant. It is a magic. Magic appears as real. Magic is real when you are ignorant of. It is a magic. Marriage water is real when you are ignorant of the road. Rope snake is real when you are ignorant of the. Tell me. One rope snake is real when you are ignorant of a rope. Dream is real when you are ignorant of waker. World is real when you are ignorant of Brahman. இன்னொரு வாட்டி சொல்லணுமா? Magic is real when you forget you are seeing a magic. You take it as a real pigeon, real cat, real everything real. A moment is sufficient to forget about it is a magic. Marriage water is marriage water because you are ignorant of the road. It is a road. Upon the road, water is appearing. You have forgotten and taken it as real water. And you run because you are feeling thirsty. You are running for water. Rope snake is a rope snake as long as you are ignorant of rope. You want to run away from that. Innonu sollala shell silver. Silver is silver as long as you are ignorant of shell. World is world as long as you are ignorant of Brahman. Dream is dream, real, as long as you are ignorant of waker. இன்னொன்று எக்ஸாம்பிள் சேர்த்துக்கோங்க. ஓகே, சில்வர். ஆக்சுவலாக மேஜிக், ரோப் ஸ்னேக்கு, மெரேஜ் வாட்டர், ஷெல் சில்வர் அண்ட் ரோப் ஸ்னேக், சொப்ன 5. இன்னொரு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா இது சுப்பீரியர் மித்யா. இதெல்லாம் இன்ஃபீரியர் மித்யா. 5 ஆர் இன்ஃபீரியர் மித்யா. வீட்டுக்கு போய் இதுதான் பண்ணணும். அந்த பேங்க்ல எவ்வளோ அக்கௌண்ட் இருக்கு, இந்த பேங்க்ல இது பண்ணக்கூடாது. Magic is mithya, inferior mithya. Swapna is inferior mithya. Rope snake is inferior mithya. Marriage water inferior mithya. Shell silver is inferior mithya. Even as long as you are ignorant of rope, snake appear real, I said. Real speaking, we are going to make rope also mithya. Rope is also mithya. Why? There is no rope at all. Only coconut fiber is there. There is no rope. Finally, we negate that rope. It is too much for you. That's why I don't want to touch that topic. Because Nama Rupa Mithya, no? There is no rope at all. Swamini, rope is there. If you say pot is there, I say. Again, you apply the same thing there. Therefore, world is also real as long as you are ignorant of Brahman. Therefore, get Brahma Jnanam, you don't ask the question, what is world? The Jnanam varamani tindadindirkavane. Sorry. Na nirupayatum shakya. Ya, first line. Ya vispashtam bhasate. That which appears, world is that which appears very clearly. விஸ்பஷ்டம் மீன்ஸ் வாட்? விசேஷேன ஸ்பஷ்டம். ரொம்ப கிளியரா இருக்க சுவாமினி. என்ன கிளியர்னா, இது ஜாஸ்மின் கிளியர், இது ரோஸ் ஃப்ளவர் கிளியர், இது கிளிப் கிளியர், பாட் கிளியர், மை ஐஸ் ஆர் ஆல்சோ கிளியர். ஐ எம் வெரி கிளியர். வாட் அபவுட் த வேர்ல்ட்? ஐ எம் வெரி கிளியர் அபவுட் மாயா பிரபஞ்சம். விஸ்பஷ்டம் பாசத்தை, அப்பியர். ந நிரூபயித்தும் சக்யா. Na nirupayitum shakya. It is not possible to prove its existence. Na nirupayitum. Nirupayitum means to prove. It is really there. You cannot prove. Each and every nama rupa, you cannot prove it is there. Just like pot. Can you prove is there a pot? If you prove is there a pot, I take the clay, you take the pot. Then prove. You cannot prove. Is there a dream? Yes, I prove dream. I take the waker, then you prove the dream. I take the waker, you prove the dream. There is no dream other than waker. இந்த அளவுக்கு நம்ம திங்கே பண்ண மாட்டோம். ந நிரூபயித்தும் சக்யா. That means what? Our every thought, underline this, note this sentence. Our every thought holding a form that which has got a name. Our every thought holding a form which has got a name. Every thought That which is holding a form, which has got a name, is Maya. That means I am holding on to Maya. How long? Every second, every hour, every day, every week, whole month, many years, decades. That means our whole vyavahara is mithya. Vyavahara is with what? Namarupa. Namarupa is mithya. Therefore, vyavahara must be. What about class, Swamini? Who said it is satyam? I never said it is satyam. To know world is mithya, mithya class is sufficient. Okay? Superior mithya world you want to know. So, for that Satya Brahma is not required. Okay? Mithya, Vyavaharika, Ishvara, Vyavaharika, Jiva, Vyavaharika transaction is sufficient. Yenne, Prapancha also Vyavaharika Satyam. Class is also Paramarthikama. Vyavaharika Satyam. So, Vyavaharika Satya, Prapancha, Mithya ani theriyradhukku Vyavaharika class podume. Adinala class kuda satyam naan sollave illeye eppovume. Swamini, this is too much. நான் சொல்லல, வித்யாரண்யே சொல்றாரு, நிரூபயித்தும் ந சக்யா. You cannot explain. That's why Vedanta is not for all. Now understand? It is not for all people. Even all people, they come, they can never grasp. They can never grasp. Why? Vidyaranya is going to say, Panditaha, they are confused. Panditaha means scientists also. Nani rupayutam shakya kimartham sa maya iti indrajaladau lokaha sampratipedire. Sam plus prati plus pad dhatu pede pedate pedire lit. Sampratipedire means there is a concurrence by all people. Lokaha, by people, by common people. Lokaha means common people have sampratipedire, have acceptance, accepted the experienceable magic show. It is an experienceable magic show. Lokaha sampratipedire sa maya indrajaladau. Indrajala adipadat, and the examples. Indrajalam adipadat, other examples. Indrajaladau lokaha sampratipedire. This is whole thing like magic, they said. Next shloka. 242. Sorry, 142. இங்க 242 போட்டிருக்கல நம்பர். அந்த நம்பர் சான்ஸ்கிரிட்ல 2 போட்டிருக்கேன். அதனால டக்குன்னு நான் 242 சொல்லிட்டேன். பாவம் அந்த பிரிண்ட் பண்றவனுக்கு 1 2க்கு டிஃபரன்ஸ் தெரியல. நீங்க கேட்ட உடனே சொன்னேன். நீங்க கூட பரமானந்தைய சிஷ்யன் மாதிரி. So we have to notice immediately. This is the Maya. Padalo. Now you understand? Mesmerizing in front of you, 2 or 1 is. It is 142. It is 242 number. Correct pannukongo. 242 they have given. 2 you have to correct into 1. Adi nik Sanskrit therinja. Illana vidungo. Spashtam bhati jagat chedam. Ashakyam tannirupanam mayamayam jagat tasmat ikshasva pakshapatatah. The 2 qualities he is presenting in this sloka, as I said, delusion and effect of the Maya. This world is a delusion or an effect of Maya. See, some schizophrenia people, those who are having the disease, schizophrenia, they get hallucinations. They hear sounds and they see people walking behind them. Nobody is there. Somebody is behind coming and somebody is talking. They hear, but nobody is there. What is that? Hallucination. Audio, video, hallucinations is called schizophrenia. So all people who ever talk about the reality of the world, they are like பயமா இருக்க சொல்றதுக்கு like schizophrenia people. But you ask that person, hey, it is wrong. Who said it is wrong? I am seeing people are walking behind me. I am seeing that person is standing and talking to me, but nobody is there. He is thinking. Is it not delusion? And he is listening so many words. He is hearing, seeing. All ajnanis, Atma ajnanis are like schizophrenia people. Who says in Vidyaranya says. And the word sollala avaru. Ipo, before you are coming to the class, pot is there or not? Ungalku. Pot irka illaya? Schizophrenia illaya? Appo. Ippo illa. Class vandadukku appuram illa. In the Panchadashi Vedanta class varthukku munnadi, pot is very much real for you or not? Tell me, apakshapatataha. Without any bias, okay, without any partiality. Before coming to Vedanta class, pot is real for you or not? Now what happened after coming to the class? Vedanta class, you are boldly saying there is no pot. How dare you are to say that there is no pot? Tell me. Now you are enlightened with regard to pot. You are enlightened with regard to pot. But all people are not enlightened. So you are free from schizophrenia. Yes or no? With regard to pot. They are all having schizophrenia. What that? Pot is there, pot is there, pot is there. You are boldly saying there is no pot other than clay. You are confirmed and convinced that it is not at all my delusion. It is real. There is no pot at all. Confirmed or not? How? How you have got? Same way, Jnani can say after studying a long time, analyzing, assimilating, world is also like a pot. What is Satyam? Brahman. That is why Idam Jagat, first line, Idam Jagat, this world, Spashtam Bhati, same thing he is telling, Spashtam Bhati, it is very clearly appearing. Appearing, Swamini, already he told us, why he is telling, that's what you have to listen again. Tan Nirupanam Ashakyam, Ade Vadada, Mera Sonade Tirip Solrer. Tan Nirupanam, there, Shakya, Ashakya, and Sonar in Asakyam and Solar. Okay. Nirupanam, Tad Nirupanam means that Sadasat Vilakshanam Jagat. Nirupanam, clarification is very, very difficult. But I want to tell you for your satisfaction, Maya Mayam. For your sake I am telling answer. Guru says, Maya Mayam Jagat. Tasmat Ikshatam Apakshapatataha. May you look at this world without any bias, any partiality. Come out of that orientation. World is nothing but Maya Mayam. Maya Mayam means that which appears for perception. It is a false perception. It is not a real perception. So any false perception is unreal. It is a projection. Subjective hallucination. That is called Pratibhasika Satyam. That's why in Dakshinamurti Stotram, Maya Viva Vijrumbhayatyapi Maha yogi vayasvechaya. சும்மா படிச்சுட்டு இருக்கோம். மாயா வீம விஜృంభை. எத்தனை நாள் இப்படி படிக்கிறது? எதுக்கு மாயா மாயான்னு சொல்றாரு? என்ன மாயான்னு புரிஞ்சுக்க வேண்டாமோ? லைக் ஜஸ்ட் நாடிங் ஹெட். ஓகே, மாயாமயம். Apakshapatataha means you have to see the step by step. Satchet na badhyeta, asatchet na pratiyeta. Since it is appearing but it is negatable also, that means what? Therefore I have coined it as Maya. Whatever is appearing, it is negatable. How it is negatable? Swamini, it is appearing, I accept. How your world is negatable? How you negated the pot? In the place of pot, you put the whole world. You are able to negate the pot or not? When you are able to negate the pot, why not the world? If you understand Sat properly, you understand you are that Sat properly, you can negate. As long as you have body, mind, orientation, you can never. That is why Anatma Nischaya, Mithyatma Nischaya is very important to say Aham Brahmasmi. Just a verbal, like a parrot saying Aham Brahmasmi, Soham Brahma, Soham Brahma. It is not a verbal statement, it is not a statement to utter like a japa. It is a statement to understand. Asakyam, Mayamayam. What he has explained, tell me in this sloka. 242, what he has explained? Asakyam, Nirupitam, Mayamayam. Same thing he has said. Then, next shloka. 143. Nirupayitum-arabdhe nikhilairapi panditaihi Ajnanam purastesham bhati kakshasu kasuchit. This is inexplicable, he said. Anirvachaniyam, nirupitam, ashakyam. Then what? Sir, those who are all trying to explain what they are doing, Vidyaranya asking, everyone start inquiring into the world, how this world has come, how this is created, by whom, when, all they are doing lot of analysis. What they are doing, you know, this is what? Nikhilaihi api panditaihi, all great people, Sankhya, Yoga, Nyaya, Vaiseshika, everyone other than Uttaramimamsa, other than Advaiti. Really speaking, Swapna is real for some people. Who said Swapna is unreal? Ennamo Swapna ella Kanaka Panditani, Pradivasika Mithya, inferior Mithyani. Who said? No, I don't accept. They say Swapnam is real. Some philosophers says, who said rope snake is unreal? Rope snake is real. For them it is real. Nyaya, Yoga, Vaiseshika, all these people, they say world is also real. You are bringing the example of Swapna to establish the world is unreal. Now first Swapna me unreal and accept panla. Ninga Swapna example sonna, who will accept? I am not accepting Swapna as unreal. Tangibly I have seen the Swapna, it is real. Therefore world is also real. Panditaihi nikhilaihi api. Nikhilaihi means all, no exception. All people except Advaiti. If you don't accept Advaitam, you will be in that Pandita. Nikhilaihi Pandita, you will join in that group. Jagrate. Okay. Nirupayitum arabdhe. They have started arabdhe. They have started what? Research. What? To prove this world, this date of birth of this world, when it is created, who created, all they are starting. Then what to do? Finally, they go to a dead end. Dead end என்ன தெரியுமா இல்லையோ, அதுக்கப்புறம் போக முடியாது. Then they come back. ஆமா, we have understood, but, and the but will continue. Dead end means they cannot go further. That's what he says. Ajnanam puraha tesham bhati kasuchitu kakshasu. At one point or other, kasuchit kakshasu means as they are going for analysis, for inquiry, discovery of this world, its reality, its nature, what are these species, 84 lakhs of species, how they are born, each and everything threadbare analysis by scientists, physicists, chemists, biologists, zoologists, all scientists, plus Nyaya, Vaiseshika, Yogas, all these people put together, all of them, Kasu Chittu Kakshasu, at one point or other, they stand, in front of them something stands. What is that, Ajnanam. Ajnanam stands in front of them. How? We don't know. We don't know. Doctors, when you go to a doctor, some complaint, this is that, maybe this. Afterwards, the doctor says, doctor, why this has come to me, this problem, this is what, because of what? I don't know. They say, tell me, why? They say, I don't know. Doctors also saying about some diseases like that. Even scientists are also saying, time of everything and a theory of everything. Theory of everything, one point they come, this point we are not able to answer. This point we are not able to find out. Therefore, some ajnanam at one point or other, ignorance is in front of you. Total knowledge is impossible. Because matter, inquiring into matter. Matter is inquiring into matter. Who is this person thinking is real? Body-mind complex real. Matter is real for him. So this matter going for what? Another matter. Discovery. First know this matter. About your body-mind complex, know this matter. Afterwards only you can do research later. Start from here. Without knowing your body-mind, how can you know? All are genetic. All are genetic. Then Vidyaranya is going to ask, tell me, you are doing a lot of research, finally you are getting that ignorance is standing, I don't know, in front of you standing. Then let us see, tell me how the baby fetus is formed in the stomach, womb of the mother. And how this consciousness has entered the fetus. Tell me, I will give you 1 week time. Next week you come and tell me how the fetus is formed, how the Chaitanyam has entered in that fetus. 1 week is sufficient? Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.